Nepal's parliament has unanimously approved the country's new map just a short while ago. This controversial map shows Indian territories as part of Nepal. The KP Sharma Oli-led government in Nepal had already approved the map. The issue surrounding the map has led to a diplomatic row between New Delhi and Kathmandu. The new map shows India's Lipulekh, Kalapani and Limpiadura as part of Nepal. This comes a day after an unprecedented firing at the Indo-Nepal border. Nepal police shot dead an Indian and injured at least two others in Bihar's Sitamarhi. The ties between India and Nepal came under strain after India's Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated an 80-kilometre-long strategically crucial road connecting the Lipulekh Pass with Dharchula in Uttarakhand state in India. This happened on the 8th of May. Nepal reacted sharply to the inauguration, claiming that it passed through Nepalese territory. India rejected the claim, asserting that the road lies completely within its territory. And now, India's Army Chief General M.M. Naravane has said that India and Nepal have always had strong ties and will remain strong in the future too.
We have a very strong relationship with Nepal, which we have geographical linkages, historical linkages, cultural linkages, religious linkages. We have a very strong people-to-people connect, and our relation with them has always been strong and will remain strong in the future.
Our principal diplomatic correspondent Siddhant Sipal sent us this report on the story just a short while ago. Take a look.
After a marathon discussion, the lower house of the Nepali parliament has passed the new constitutional amendment bill that was put in place by the Nepali government to give constitutional backing to the new Nepali map, which was issued last month. This is something that New Delhi is not going to like. We know that when the map was first released by the Nepali government last month, the government here in India had reacted strongly, saying that it goes against the sovereignty and territorial integrity of India. And this entire border row started after the Indian Defence Minister inaugurated a road to Lipulekh, which Nepal says is its own territory. And this comes at a time when there has been increasing protests against the Nepali Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli over mishandling of the COVID crisis and also the corruption issue in Nepal. So there is a strong view that the Nepali government is trying to divert from its incompetency when it comes to handling of the COVID crisis through this border row with New Delhi, artificially created border row with India. But by and large, if we look at the focus of New Delhi, it is clearly on the people-to-people relationship. New Delhi has talked about a civilizational connect between India and Nepal. Only last week, when the Ministry of External Affairs was questioned when it comes to the border row, and it also talked about how India is helping when it comes to the COVID crisis in Nepal. In fact, the Army Chief today talked about the people-to-people relationship between the two countries. So clearly, while the government-to-government relationship is in negative terrain, what New Delhi is now focusing is on people-to-people ties. With video journalist Neeraj, Siddhant Sipal for WION in New Delhi.